number of small enterprises, best known as MSMEs or hustlers, face enhanced scrutiny on the nature of their businesses as the government switches gears in the fight against dirty cash, including corrupt officials known to use nondescript companies to launder their ill-gotten wealth. Nina Shaban tells us more.
Following tighter rules against money laundering and terrorist financing that took effect last year, banks have started asking their micro, small and medium enterprises, MSME clients, to disclose critical details relating to their businesses. For comprehension purposes, we had a sit-down with a company registry expert, Bernard Kirago.
Beneficial ownership really is regulated from the company's registry perspective under the Companies Act, and it has been a requirement for companies to declare their ultimate beneficial owners.
The requirement for all the registered businesses, including MSMEs, to disclose financial and beneficial ownership information has left most of the small enterprises in a catch-22, with some fearing it might be a ploy by the government to illegally access their income for taxation purposes. This enhanced requirements came through the process of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Regulations 2023, which have enhanced the KYC rules, especially the requirement to reveal beneficial owners. The beneficial owners' detailed requirements include full name of the person, such other particulars as the center may specify, postal address, physical address, mobile telephone number, utility bill, occupation or employment details, source of income, location of business and income tax in form of a carrier PIN. Some of the details they are required to provide in the template include the actual or expected income of each of the business activities. They are also to give the value of each asset and liabilities and their totals, revenue streams such as services and sales, expenses such as payroll, advertising, rent, office supplies and profit. Should the client fail to comply with the request, banks are at liberty to terminate the relationship. Kenya has been flagged down for having a number of businesses that are used to clean money, also known as money laundering. At the beginning of 2024, the country was put on high watch for not having strict safeguards against the flow of dirty cash, joining 23 other countries in a list of shame known as the grey list.
It's essentially a way of trying to clean money which is corruptly obtained and getting it into the financial systems, into the banking system. Because as you know, you may not be able to transact any high-value transactions without going through the banking system. So corruptly obtained money, and we've seen instances where it's claimed this is done through establishment of entities where now people claim to be reflecting higher revenues ordinarily are in that likeness, and speculation is that the motor vehicle business is huge on this. Restaurants have also been picked up, and it's really an area that needs better investigation than that.
So the rule was implemented in the month of November of 2024. Where the business owners stand now is, if you refuse, as a business owner, if you refuse to give details of the beneficiary owners, you're slapped with a fine of 500,000 shillings after conviction, and every day that you do not comply, you're slapped with another 50,000 shillings per day. Ponder on that. Nina Shaban, NTV.